So few business owners complain about having too many customers. And here at Testimonial, we understand that struggle. Most of these business owners struggle with costly, ineffective, or time-consuming marketing efforts. That's because modern buyers prefer discovering products on their own, rather than being sold to directly. This is where SEO content and testimonial marketing shine. While traditional methods like cold outreach and ads still have a place, inbound marketing is now essential. Testimonials in particular are an evergreen, cost-effective tool that boosts trust, increase conversions, and can be repurposed into multiple content formats. But their value extends beyond customer acquisition. Here are 8 different ways testimonials can impact your business and personal growth. First, secure investments. Investors, like customers, seek proof of success. Rather than relying solely on cold outreach and pitches, you can showcase testimonials in your pitch deck or a wall of love to build trust remotely. Strong social proof can make or break your business, especially its attractiveness to new investors. Number 2 is to attract A-player employees. Just as customers research products before buying, top talent researches potential employers. A dedicated testimonials page featuring customer and employee feedback can help attract high caliber hires who align with your company culture. And the more A-players you have at your company, the better you're going to produce, which then in turn will always give you more sales. Number 3, land speaking gigs. Organizers of high profile conferences want speakers with credibility. Adding testimonials to your speaking portfolio, especially video endorsements, can really improve your chances of securing engagements. Testimonials prove your expertise more effectively than self-promotion. No one likes to hear you talk about yourself, or myself, or anyone's self. Number 4, unlock collaborations and partnerships. Testimonials act as a credibility booster when seeking business partnerships, joint ventures, or co-marketing opportunities. A strong testimonial strategy can attract potential partners who want to work with a trusted, results-driven brand just like yours. Leave a comment down below how you think you can partner with a brand by using this testimonial product and strategy. Number 5, grow your affiliate program. If you run an affiliate program, testimonials from successful affiliates can inspire new members to join. This can also be the case not only for affiliates, but for any product selling. Service referrals or anything like that as well will fit into this. Additionally, providing affiliates with customer testimonials allows them to use social proof in their own promotions, increasing their conversions as well. Number 6, create case studies effortlessly. By taking detailed testimonials that often contain valuable insights, you can essentially expand on those and turn them into in-depth case studies. This adds depth to your marketing strategy, showcasing real-world success without the need for lengthy customer interviews. You can improve your SEO and online presence as testimonials contribute to your site's content, helping with your SEO rankings. Using keyword-focused testimonial request forms can ensure user-generated content aligns with your search strategy. Social sharing of testimonials further enhances your visibility as well. Number 8, build a strong community. Beyond business growth, testimonials foster a sense of belonging when customers publicly express and endorse your product. They feel more connected to your brand, and this loyalty ends up driving referrals and long-term engagement. So how can you get started? Try using testimonial.to today. It'll help you collect testimonials extremely easy, and you can start absolutely free. Once gathered, you can showcase all of these testimonials through a wall of love on your website. Then embed it in a landing page and repurpose them across social media. Social proof isn't just a marketing tactic. It's a foundational asset for trust, credibility, and long-term success. Start leveraging testimonials today to unlock new opportunities for growth. If you want to try out Testimonial, there's a link down below where you can get started, and we have a myriad of different tutorials on this YouTube channel on how to use it best. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate your time, and we'll see you in the next one.